what kind of cool stuff we're going to be doing this morning, David?
We're going to remove the battery out of the vehicle. We got Tesla 2019 behind us. Basically, we drove it in, and it's going to be the start of a project where we're going to be taking the battery, stripping out, and making essentially an interactive Model 3 Tesla demonstration trainer vehicle.
So let's get dirty. I'm excited. I'm smiling right now because last time we took a battery out of a Leaf, a little Nissan Leaf. This is a lot more complicated. This battery has what that's different from the Leaf?
It's actually bolted from the top as well as the bottom. So we got to take all the interior out of the vehicle. We got to get the vehicle prepped. And plus, in the same instance, we're actually prepping the vehicle for what we're going to be doing with it. So we're going to be removing the doors, we're going to be removing all the interior components, put it on the hoist, drop it the main high voltage battery, and then yeah, we're going to get started from there.
And exactly, because we're going to make a kit car out of it, there's going to be some things that we're going to take out that don't have to necessarily come out to take the battery out, but some things still have to come out anyway. Anyways, you'll hear about that when we get into it for sure. So yeah, let's go at it.
Yeah, totally. Let's do it.
Let's go. So we're at a point now where we've got all the interior out. You have to take the front seats out as well as the back seats. You're going to see a few extra stuff come apart in this car because, as we said, David, it's going to be a project car so that people can climb through it and some neat stuff.
Trainer car.
Dave will point out some bolts that had to come out.
Yeah, these 4 bolts have to come out. They hold the top of the penthouse in. So, but we're going to remove these anyways because they are going to be part of our project vehicle, and we need to remove them.
Actually, in the demo vehicle is not going to have a battery in it at all, right? You're going to do something cool with this.
Yeah, this is going to show. I'm going to pop off the cover. I got to disconnect the BMS system electronics here. So it's a little pull tab. That basically disables it. Bolts are already out. All the bolts for the penthouse are out. I still have the high voltage charger plugged in, but there's no power to it right now. So
that's got to come out.
Yeah. And then I'm going to do all the bolts here.
Okay. And then there's one connection over here. We have to disconnect this one.
Yeah, that's the 12 volt system. That's low voltage.
Oh, this is only 12 volts over here. Yeah, so I can touch this. Okay. Great. All right. So there you go. We'll leave you there. This whole interior has to come out because there's going to be some more bolts up here that go down through the floor into the top of the battery pack. What you get there?
So this is a special socket. It's designed for the cover for the penthouse. If you notice, it's a 5-bolt star, almost like a Torx, but it's not. No, it's a special socket for Tesla. So we actually had these machined to do that. So
no way.
Yeah. It was done by a machine shop.
Oh.
So I gave them one of the old bolts, and they matched it up, CNC'd it, and now they make these little sockets for us.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool. So I'm going to take these out now.
Now, do they have to come out as part of our normal battery removal?
The only reason we're taking them out is because we're going to use this as our trainer, so I'm going to take everything out anyway.
Take it out anyways.
But typically we wouldn't have to remove any of these components. I just leave the 4-bolt, take these 4 bolts out, disconnect the charger, disconnect the 12 volts, disconnect the BMS, and basically it would drop right out after we undo all the other bolts. And all the secrets are under here.
So those fasteners stayed right with this cover,
Yeah, they're built right into the cover.
Oh boy.
And there's our cover removal. So anyways, I removed the 2 bolts here, on here and here. This is basically the safety disconnect. It's a pyro fuse. So I'm gonna plug it. So really it's fairly simple. There's the sodium azide connector in there that blows the charge inside the connector. So if the airbags go off, there's a high current, then this thing deactivates. Well, actually, maybe we'll pull this apart after.
Ah, that might be another video.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. So anyways, we'll throw that there. So now I have open connectors here, and these are live. So I'm going to see what the voltage is on these guys. See what's left in the packaroo. 84 volts DC, and it should be about 100 and it's about the same. 89, 90 volts. That little lightning bolt, that means it's dangerous, lethal.
Okay, well that's, I'm glad you got the gloves on and I'm just staying over here.
So, Anyways, I'm only getting one part of it because that's the two contactors. There's a contactor here, right there, and then there's another contactor down at the end.
Right here.
So that's the power and ground. There's our fuses. There's our three main fuses for the circuit, and of course I'm going to disconnect now the high voltage switch here. So just pull this switch over, lift the lever, and disconnect. And that's it. I'm going to do the 210s on here as well.
It's a long way to go to hot wire a car.
Oh yeah, yeah. You're not doing that easy. That's a key card. That's the security card. Where that card sits on.
Yep.
That's basically the receiver.
So it sits right here.
Yeah.
Hang on a second, score.
You found it?
No, something better than that.
Money?
Check it out.
Oh, that's right on. You can't beat that.
Hanging on to that.
There.
Got it.
That's it. Okay.
Yes, it comes out in a fair size unit. So a little bit of clean the parts, and then we take the carpet out.
Yeah, carpet is left side.
So now you can see why the carpet had to come out, because we actually have some fasteners underneath the carpet that go straight down through the battery. A couple up here on the other side, and they come out next. You can spin around.
Yeah,
Go ahead. Look at that. Oh yeah, we're never going to get this battery out.
This is a nice treat from CarQuest.
I know, boys at CarQuest, hook us up.
Yeah.
Woo!
And sit down on the job.